The Visulate site is divided into two areas: home pages, which are visible to anyone, and secure pages, which are accessed from the My Visulate tab. This tab expands to show different menus. A Business tab shows partner and vendor information. Property tab shows property-related information. The Tenant tab is used to maintain tenancy agreements, and the Payment tab shows accounting information. Each tab has separate sub-tab which control access to Visulate screens. Some screens are broken into separate pages. The Business tab opens on the Business Snapshot screen. This screen is divided into three separate pages: an Alerts page, a Cashflow Summary page, and a Performance page. The Business Units screen is used to maintain business units. These are containers for properties inside Visulate. The Partners screen is used to control access to business units. Click on a user to see the list of business units that they're able to access and the role that they play in those business units. The Vendor screen is used by a business owner to define a list of approved vendors for that business unit. It also shows a payment history for that vendor. The Property screen is used to record property details. It has two pages, one for the property details and another for photos and documents. The Estimate screen allows you to create cash flow, cap rate, and cash-on-cash return estimates for all the properties in a business unit. The Finance screen records details of loans secured against a property and allows you to maintain a valuation history. The Expenses screen is used to maintain work orders and other expenses associated with a property. It's divided into three pages. These allow you to record job details, quotes and estimates, and invoices. Invoices added on this screen appear automatically on the Accounts Payable screen. The Property Summary screen is an interactive income and expense report. The Tenant tab is used to maintain tenancy agreements. Personal details are recorded on the People screen. The Agreement screen maintains terms and conditions for a tenancy agreement. Visulate uses these to automatically generate a payment schedule in Accounts Receivable. You can also use this screen to advertise vacancies on the Visulate website. The Tenant Details and Actions screen are used to maintain contact details, payment history, and actions such as phone calls, letters, and evictions. Visulate maintains a separate chart of accounts for each business unit. Payment rules define default debit and credit accounts for each transaction type. Each transaction is classified with a payment and transaction type. Predefined rules are provided for each unique combination. This allows Visulate to simplify double-entry bookkeeping for its users. The Accounts Receivable screen shows money that we need to collect. Rows in this screen are generated automatically based on tenancy agreements. The Accounts Payable screen records money we need to pay. This works in a similar way to the Accounts Receivable screen. Pressing the Update List button generates rows based on property expenses. The payment journal records contra entries. Pressing the Update List button on this screen generates depreciation entries. The General Ledger screen shows account information for different accounting periods. And allows you to drill down to see transaction details for each account. Payment reports are provided to provide balance sheet, income statements, tax reports, GL and tenant statements.